It's that time of year again. Our summers come to an end. The air is cooler and the leaves are changing. From a hectic year we start awakening. And in schools all across the world they hear the sound is clear. It is the sound of the shofar, and each one is not alone. Its voice is heard across the globe. Rosh Chodesh Elul till it's Yom Kippur. Once you hear it, then you'll know for sure that it's time for you to return to who you are. Feel your soul stir from the sound of the shofar. And as we all gather round and listen to that thunder sound, we all stand without speaking. We hold our breath and we're just listening. And we yearn to stay close to those we love this year again. From the sound of the shofar. And on Rosh Hashanah day, as we stand in place and pray, we are asking for the book of life, peace and happiness and no more strife. And we pray to abolish all our fears, protect those dear, attend the sound of the shofar. We pray for a future time when God's glory light will shine. And together we will hear that call, a world of peace to redeem us all. We'll return to our most authentic selves. We'll know it's real from the sun